Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to fix Geometry Dash not opening on iPhone iOS 17. The first solution, make sure that the Geometry Dash game is updated. So head over to your App Store. So go back to your home screen and find the App Store. And here, we're going to search for the Geometry Dash. So type right here on the search box, find the Geometry Dash, and if an update button shows up here, need to tap on update and get the latest version of this game. Once done, try to reopen the game and it should be fixed the issue. Now if the problem persists, let's go to the second solution. The second solution, go to your settings on your iPhone, scroll down, then select general. From here, scroll down, then select background app refresh. And then here on background app refresh, you need to tap on the option here at the top and basically select the Wi-Fi and cellular data. Once done, go back to the general and then select iPhone storage. Here on iPhone storage, scroll down, then find Geometry Dash or type the game at the search box. Or basically scroll down and find the Geometry Dash. So right here, and then tap on the offload app. And then, once done, reinstall the app. But if the problem persists, let's go to the third step. Third step is take a look at your iPhone storage. So go back here to your iPhone storage, and here, see if you have the enough space to be able to use the other application. Make sure to have enough 10 gigabytes to access the game. Then if you find that it's close to the full storage, you should select any apps that you think you should delete in order to open the Geometry Dash. And that should be fixed the issue on your Geometry Dash. And that's it. That's how you basically fix Geometry Dash not opening on iPhone iOS 17. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.